Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to promote your affiliate links to get more sales. Every affiliate marketer does it a specific way in the beginning. However, if you look at what super affiliates do, which are the ones that make the most commission, they're typically anywhere between the 1 to top 10%, depending on whose rule you read about what does super affiliate mean. And then we're going to talk about the difference between direct linking and indirect linking and why it matters to you. Hey there, I'm Kim Wolf with AffiliateMarketingInformant.com, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. If this video helps you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to this channel, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you're struggling to actually find success with affiliate marketing, definitely check out the link below. It's hands down the best free starter training I've found for you yet. So let's talk about how you promote affiliate products and how you actually use those affiliate links. How do you actually send buyers to those affiliate links to get to your affiliate offer, to eventually buy that affiliate offer so that you can make an affiliate commission? So the beginner strategy and the simplest strategy is what we call direct linking. Now, direct linking just means essentially putting your affiliate link on a traffic source, and then when someone clicks on that affiliate link, they go to an affiliate offer. And then if they're interested in buying that affiliate offer, they click buy now and they go to the cart page, right? So all of this is being tracked via your affiliate link. So if this person buys, you get a commission of the sell. So direct linking simply means when an affiliate shares the direct affiliate link for the offer. So let's take a look at a real example of direct linking. So in this example, you use YouTube as your traffic source. You include a direct affiliate link to an offer on ClickBank. In this case, it is flat belly tonic powder, drink of some sort, supposed to help you lose belly fat. And then when the person decides to buy it, they go directly to the offer page, which is hosted on ClickBank. So this is the offer, right? Okay, so I got it off of ClickBank. This is an affiliate link right here. So anytime you see the question mark and then hop equals, so normally there would be a number or a name, and that's going to be the affiliate ID. But this is what an affiliate link looks like. And when you're doing direct linking, you're actually placing this direct link onto a site like YouTube or any type of traffic source that will allow it. And so when the person clicks on it, they go directly to the actual offer, come down here, decide I'm going to buy it, click add to cart, and then I'm going to go to the cart page. So when a person actually orders from here through my link, I would get credit as an affiliate. The advantages of direct linking are this. It's simple to set up. So as you can see, you just get an affiliate link, you put it somewhere for people to click on it, and then they go directly to the affiliate offer, and then when they buy, you get an affiliate commission. It doesn't require a website or landing page, so there's no technology you need. You literally just give people your affiliate link and you make commissions whenever they buy. It simplifies the process to get started. So this is the reason that beginners like this particular process, because it isn't complicated, right? Direct linking makes it easy to test different options. So without putting a lot of effort in landing pages and bridge pages and email funnels and etc., you can figure out if your audience, if they like your offer or not, by just simply serving them up a direct affiliate link and pushing them directly to the offer. And essentially when you do that, you are using proven funnels that the product creator or the affiliate vendor has already created, tested, and tried and true. So that makes it easier for you once again. So the disadvantages of direct linking is that it doesn't distinguish you from every other affiliate. So the reality is the affiliate marketing is a competitive space. There are other affiliates promoting the exact same product that you are. So that becomes a disadvantage for you. If you look like the next affiliate, there's no reason to buy from you versus the other affiliate. There is no ability to pre-sell your visitor before they see your offer. So this is typically done in a bridge page, and it's really, really popular because of that. It's especially used in sort of cold funnels when the person doesn't know you. It gives them a chance to warm up to you, get to know you, get to trust you before you send them to affiliate offer, which increases your chances of actually getting them to buy. Now, granted, they must be wanting to buy that product or they're never going to click to the offer. So make sure you're targeting the right audience. Some traffic sources don't allow multiple campaigns with the same URL. This is a big one. Some traffic sources actually don't allow affiliate links on their platform. Quora is a good example. If you don't know Quora, it's a Q&A question and answer site. They do not allow direct affiliate links and they will shut down your account. Facebook is one that doesn't really directly say they don't take or accept affiliate links, but you hear of affiliates getting their ads and their offers and their pages shut down all the time because they direct link to an affiliate offer. A lot of times what happens is Facebook does see it as sort of a spammy offer when you're just sending them somewhere that almost doesn't make sense, especially if it's to make money online. A lot of those offers are really hyped up, and Facebook does not like that. And as we discussed in the beginning, your marketing campaign just lacks a competitive advantage. There's no reason to buy from you than the other person. So indirect linking is when you actually take your viewers, your visitors to other pages before you actually send them to an affiliate offer. This is an example of what indirect linking looks like. So you have the traffic source, then you actually send that traffic to a squeeze page, which is a very simple, just opt-in page. The sole purpose is to collect the email address. Once the person puts in their email address, then they go to the affiliate offer. So your affiliate link is actually linked into this button. Once they submit, there's a redirect to actually go to your affiliate offer. And what that allows you to do is to actually capture their email address, send them to the offer, and assume that they don't buy the offer. You can actually follow up with them with a very targeted email series with additional chances to buy that offer. So they say it takes 7 times for a person to get to know you enough to actually buy from you, and the emails are a way to build up that trust and increase your chances for an affiliate commission. So here's another example of indirect linking. So you have the traffic source, you have a one-page email capture, so just a real simple email opt-in form. But then instead of directly linking them to the affiliate offer from your email capture page, you actually send them to a bridge page. The bridge page is used to pre-sell and warm up your audience. So in other words, instead of just saying, hey, I'm going to take your email address and now I'm going to push you to go buy something, the bridge page allows you to say, hey, thanks so much for signing up. I appreciate you. Oh, by the way, I know you have this problem and this product is going to solve that problem. So you can actually use this as sort of a way to pre-sell your audience before you send them to the affiliate offer. And so if they're on the pre-sale page, what they call a bridge page, they actually have the option to click, yes, I want to learn more. Yes, I want to buy now. And then you send them to the affiliate offer. So with this particular option, you do also have an email capture process. So you can still send them emails on the back end, continue, warm them up, and to sell them the same offer and eventually additional offer. So just to make sure you understand what I'm talking about, here is another visual explaining the same thing that I just walked you through. So you have your traffic source, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Google AdWords, which is a paid ad, whether it's Instagram, whatever. You send the traffic to a squeeze page, you capture their email address, then you send them to a bridge page and you actually warm them up to the offer, give them a very strong call to action, give them a reason to want to buy the offer, then you send them to the affiliate offer, and in the meantime you are also sending emails from when you captured their email address. So here is a simpler funnel which simply has the squeeze page and the bridge page all in one. You warm them up to the offer, you capture their email address, and you say, hey, if you're interested, I'm going to send you a free guide or whatever, and then you send them to an affiliate offer and you have the emails. So this just actually combines these two into one, so it's less for you to have to create, less for you to have to manage, and less steps for the users to go through to actually get to your affiliate offer. So once again, the reason you want to do these indirect linking options is because it is proven that these other options work better for getting the sell in the long run. In most cases, people won't buy from you on the first offer. They don't know you. They may not have even been interested in the offer. They just happen to discover you for whatever reason on the platform they're on. They get taken down to your funnel and your offer, and then you present them with something. If your offer is not strong enough and it really doesn't solve a major pain point in their life at that time, they're likely not going to buy from you. So doing these other options allows you to capture additional information from them so that you can continue contact with them after they leave your offer page and give them more time to get to know you, which also increases the chances of a sale. So this is an example of what my current funnel looks like. It's actually really simple. I send them to a opt-in page where I am offering them the best free training on the market for you today. You put in your email address and you click get started immediately, and then you get taken to the free training. And then on the back end, once I capture your email address, I am sending you targeted follow-up emails to remind you that you have this available to you and to position other offers to you that help you out when it makes sense. But never mind me, let's take a look at someone else's offer. So this is a super affiliate as well. He's actually made a lot of money online selling his own products, but also doing affiliate marketing as well. So let's take a look at what he does. So in this case, this is essentially a bridge page, but it has no email opt-in. It is a review of the actual product. It is done by the affiliate marketer. He basically tells you why you should actually buy this course, even though the headline is do not purchase this course. He is actually referring to the $700 training that he spent money on. He's offering you a better deal, which is a $27 course, a lot cheaper for you, will teach you the same thing. So that's what he's saying here. So it's pretty catchy. And then you'll see here, this is his affiliate link. So I know you probably can't see it at the bottom, but I can actually see his affiliate link when I hover over this button. You can try that too. When next time you're hovering over a button, see if it's affiliate link. When I click on it, it's going to take me directly to the affiliate offer. So in this case, no email opt-in, just a bridge page, a warm-up pre-sale page, and then directly to the offer page. And in this case, you say, yes, I want to enroll and buy this product, and this will take you to the cart page. And here is another example of another affiliate marketer, a different one than you just saw, who is actually promoting the exact same product. So he does the same sort of setup. He has a bridge page. He's got a review here. He pre-sells you on it. He's got all the information here. And then when you click here to grab your copy, you're actually going to go to the exact same page we just saw before. And then you go to actually the cart page to buy the product. So the biggest thing to understand on the second option I just showed you is that I was already on his email list. So there was no reason for him to capture my email address or have an email capture opt-in on that page. He sent me an email saying, hey, I got this awesome offer. You must check it out. I clicked on the link from the email and I went to his bridge page and then eventually clicked on his offer page, which took me to his affiliate offer. So I hope this video helped you out. If you're interested in learning to find and succeed online, definitely check out the link below. Hands down the best free starter training I've found for you yet. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel below, and comment below if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.